Today, on November 6th, Microsoft accidentally published in their message center that there's going to be a new product called Agent 365. The actual title of the update is about agentic users from Teams and Agent Store, and it goes on describing that this is going to be rolling out by the time of Ignite 2025, so mid-November, and lots of information there. What they also included here were a few screenshots, which are interesting. So you can here go and see that this actually presents us the user interface for Agent 365. The name of that product wasn't really included there, but it's been sort of a public secret already for a while. You can also see more information about what kind of agents there could be in the Agent Store available, and so on. And the important thing from my perspective, I'm interested in how these things are licensed. And here it mentions that admins assign the required A365 license at the time of approval. No additional Microsoft 365 or Teams license is required. So hey, yeah, we're going to get a new product. New things to buy and manage in our Microsoft tenants. It was all great news, and then we went back to check it, and it was actually gone. We cannot find that page anymore. So this is information I have is on a tab that I had open earlier this morning, and now it's gone. So here we can learn more information about what's coming once this becomes public. So, for example, agentic users are autonomous AI entities that access and act on enterprise data, learn from interactions, and improve over time. That's interesting. LLMs don't do that really, but probably there's some context that can then accumulate there. Agentic users can send and receive emails and chat and participate in meetings. So yeah, that's why they need those Teams kind of licenses. They can proactively reason and act without explicit instructions, offering a new generative AI interaction model. And yeah, all kinds of interesting information there. And it was news to most people, but I had already been covering that in my newsletter based on a scoop that Tom Warren from The Verge published in August. So this article, I'll send you a link to this in the comments or in the video there. So there I have described my earlier takes on what Agent 365 could probably be. It was said that this is going to be a new official product, and it's under Charles Lamana's Business Industry Copilot team, big team, and it's then headed by Nirav Shah, who's been at Microsoft for a long time, working with the Dataverse, for example, and now working on the Agent 365 initiative, and that's going to be coming out at Ignite. So I have lots of information more about the history of Microsoft Agent. It's not the first time they use these terms, and what it's going to be about why the Copilot is not enough. So there needs to be more ways to monetize the AI services that Microsoft will be providing to their customers. And it's, yeah, I also did a webinar about the real cost of agentic AI before this news came out, and I'm going to be doing one next week again with Alexander Golev from StemExpert. We're going to be chatting about this A365 topic. So yeah, interesting stuff coming up. Definitely going to be one of the highlights of the Ignite conference coming up.